Okay, so today I will be teaching you all how to align your images up, whether you're using DTF or whatever it is to put your image on your shirt, right? It's really simple. You will do the same routine with everything you do. So what you will do is, this is what I do. What I do is I always pre-press in the middle for like 10 seconds just to get the moisture out of my t-shirts. Okay, you should always be pre-pressing no matter what you're doing, because you want to get all that moisture out, like in the area where you're going to be putting the image. Just, okay, for a few minutes. And what you want to do is get the ends of your shirt and fold it, like line it up, so you're able to figure out where the middle of your shirt is. Okay, so once you do it like that, you're going to fold it. But you have to understand that every t-shirt is different. So every t-shirt is not going to have the same, it's not going to line up perfectly every time, because every shirt is different. But it will at least give you an idea. So what we're going to do is we're going to press right here, okay, to create a crease in our shirt so we can find the middle on where we're going to press our image at, okay? This is what I always do. You don't have to press it for long. You just want to give it a little time just to give it a little crease here and there, okay? So once you open it, you should have a line right here in the middle. You see the line? Okay? So that's going to be your guide. So I'm going to grab my image, and this is my image that I'm going to be pressing on the front, okay? So when it comes down to your design, so with this being like words, I'm going to fold it where the thing ends. That's going to be my middle. So I'm going to bring it to the end where that word is. And I'm just going to pinch the top of it, okay? You want to pinch the top so you can also find your middle, right? So you see that's the middle for your shirt, right? So when I'm doing shirts, I always do 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to bring it up to right there. That's 3 fingers. And you're just going to line that line up with what you have creased right there. Simple. And that is how you find the middle, okay? Very simple. If you keep this routine for all of your shirts, you'll do good. But always remember, like I said, every shirt is different. So you still want to eyeball your crease, okay? Sometimes you might have a shirt that's made a little different, and your line may be off a little bit, but that's why you just eyeball it, okay? So this is good. Everything is good. You just hold it up. Make sure everything is straight. Do a little 1, 2. And we go and we press it for 10 seconds on one side. Then we're going to move it to the other side and press it for 10 seconds and let it cool down. So we're going to do 10 seconds on this side. And you all know how it is with DTF, so there you have it. So we're just going to let this cool down, and then we'll be able to peel it, and we can go from there. In the meantime, while we're waiting, make sure you are following King J Customs on all social media sites, okay? King J Customs with a Z. Make sure you put a Z. On every social media, you'll find me, okay? So we're just going to let this chill. I do have a few other shirts to do, but I will do them later. But I'm also going to do the back of this shirt. Guess what we're putting on the back? Can you guess, okay? Can you guess what we're putting on the back of this shirt? Yes, indeed. The one and only. The one and only. I guess I'll go ahead and do the back while we wait. So, like, even for the back, you still can see that crease right there, actually. And like I said, every shirt is different. So, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and do a little pre-press, just a little something up here. And we're going to go ahead and fold where the word stop at. Put a little pinch up there, okay, and pretty much. I'm going to bring it up a little bit. I have to bring it up a little bit. And you can still see that crease up there, okay? Just get it where you want to put it at, like how far, you know, especially when you're doing the back. Sometimes people put their images up. It just depends on you and what look you're going for, okay? I'm trying to make sure I keep it on that crease. Okay? And you're just going to press. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Okay. And there you have it. Now that's still hot, so we're still gonna let this cool. We're actually gonna let both of them cool off, okay? We're gonna let it cool off, and once we peel it, I know it ain't ready, but let's see. Nope. Too hot. Too hot. Too hot. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and peel. We're gonna go ahead and peel it. And there you have it. That is how you line your shirt up. I always go over it again. Just for a few little seconds, not much, you know, just a little 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. And there you have it. Now all I have to do is the back. Sorry, can you see? There you have it. And there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back. Know where they came from. Get that off. You know how it is. You just gotta make sure you get the right side when you're peeling it. Okay. That's why it's always good to make sure you double press, you know, after you peel your image, okay? And this is it, you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this post. I will be coming back with a lot more videos. Y'all have to let me know what it is y'all want to learn. I do all kinds of stuff, but just let me know. And there you have it, how to line your images up perfectly on your shirts. Y'all have a good one.